Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening photos and navigating straight to albums, then recently deleted. Look for your missing images, select them and tap Recover. That immediately returns them to your library. Once done, make sure you stop creating new files to reduce overwrite risk. If you see nothing here, check iCloud status next. Why? Because iCloud photos can hold copies even when the device appears empty. Next, verify iCloud Photos in Settings so you know whether photos sync off-device. Sign in at iCloud. Calm and inspect photos there. If they exist, enable iCloud Photos on your iPhone and wait for sync. If iCloud lacks them, check recent iCloud backups or a Finder/iTunes backup on your computer. You may need to restore a full backup to recover older files. Make sure to compare dates so you restore the correct snapshot. Finally, if built-in options fail, consider a reputable third-party recovery tool, but proceed carefully. These scan storage for remnants and sometimes recover deleted photos. Alternatively, restore an iTunes or Finder backup created before deletion. This overwrites device data, so backup current content first. If nothing works, try restoring from a different computer or reach Apple support. Troubleshooting tip: if recovery tools report no files, stop using the phone immediately and retry from a cloned backup to avoid permanent overwrite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.